Hello friends, I would like to introduce you the latest odometer blocker with new plug for Mercedes G-Class. I will install it with you and test it on a test drive as well. So let's see how this odometer blocker works together. Here again I will tell you that this device is with new plug and all bugs are fixed with system update. First we'll have to remove the driver's seat rail and free it from the covers as we pull out the system cables below it where we'll be connecting to our blocker. We also need to remove the door sill guard to make it easier to lift the mat. Below we see the cables, the main cable for the speedometer system. It just connects to our odometer blocker. All the plugs are the same as the original. That's all. Now let's go to the activation and test drive. First of all, after installing the device, it is necessary to activate it. You can do it by pressing and holding the home button for 10 seconds from the steering wheel buttons, or more easily from a smartphone application. Blocker has 3 modes in total. Mode 1, 10-20% of the actual mileage is counted. Mode 2, 0-2% of the actual mileage is counted. And Mode 3, 100% of the actual mileage is counted. The module is deactivated and everything works as usual. As you can see, 5,481.5 kilometers are counted on the odometer. Even though the car is moving, it still does not calculate the mileage. I recommend everyone to purchase this device for your car at superkilometerfilter.com and drive without limits. Bye till next video.